I'm Parker Brooks and I'm a Steadicam operator. It's probably within a few weeks, if not less than a few weeks, because I ran into you guys at one house, and then next thing I know I picked you off as my real estate agent for this house, and every day I'd ask to see a house, I could see it same day. Extremely happy. This is exactly what I wanted. The best thing with dealing with the McKean team was every answer I had, or every question I had was answered immediately. They were quick. They handled business on every end for me. I rarely had to worry. I never had to worry about anything, actually, because they were handling everything. Particular instance where the McKean team displayed an exceptional skill was finding this particular house and getting me into it to check it out almost immediately, and being on the current owners' butt, and keeping them moving along and getting answers for me and getting the current tenants out and just getting me into this place I wanted so badly. This property was on the market, but not displayed where anybody could see it, and they found out for me if it was available, got me into it, and then helped me move right along with the process. I met Dave and Danielle at another property, and just seemed like good-hearted, old-fashioned people that did good business and kept the show moving along. I would compare the service to other agents as very professional, very straightforward, no BS, just got the job done and kept a smile on my face. I would 100% recommend the McKean team to friends and family and strangers. Just thank you for helping me get here. It means the world to me. I'm completely ecstatic and cannot wait to start moving in.